Hello again. Today we are going to be starting off with our science activity from our packet. So the first one we're looking at is read the text titled Thunderstorms, then complete the Thunderstorms workshop. Use the website, weatherwizkids.com, link to investigate the topic as you complete the workshop, or refer to the Thunderstorms text and answer as many questions as you can. All right, so let's go down to let's go down, where is it? There we go. And there is the Thunderstorms page. Okay, you can see it. It is labeled Thunderstorms. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to read this. And then we have the Thunderstorms workshop right down there that we're going to try to answer as many questions as we can. Now, I'm going to read this so you can follow along with me, or if you'd like to just pause it and read it yourself, go for it. So the best thing about these articles is they have awesome text features. You got pictures, you have charts. I mean, it's really, really great to learn from these. So right here, thunderstorms, a distant boom, a blinding flash, a howling wind, get set for thunderstorms. And your little text box right here, a little caption, supercells. No, it's not a spaceship, even though it kind of looks like one. It's a huge thunderstorm called a supercell. These storms can be several kilometers wide and deliver heavy rains, high winds, and occasional tornadoes. All right, so a very scary sky. The air feels moist and warm. The cumulus clouds start growing taller and taller. Their bottoms grow darker and darker. From off in the distance, the first low rumbles of thunder can be heard. Soon, fingers of lightning pierce the sky. What's going on? 3 things are needed to make a thunderstorm: moisture, water in the air to form clouds and rain; unstable air, a pocket of air that is warmer than the air around it and just keeps moving up and up; and 3, a lifting source. Heat from the sun is the most common cause of air being lifted. As the Earth's surface warms, the air above it heats up, and warm air always rises. Certain types of geography can also help thunderstorms form. Mountains are airlifters. Sea breezes can also act as triggers. And anytime a warm front and a cold front meet, conditions are perfect for a wet, wild storm. All right. And then right here, we got a picture of lightning. Lightning can put on awesome displays. Each burst releases a lot of static electricity, like the shock you get from touching a doorknob, only much more massive. All right. And then our next one, storm phases. Towering cumulus phase. Warm, moist air rises, cools, and condenses into a cumulus cloud. Condensation releases energy, warming the air more. Now the air inside the cloud is warmer than the air outside, making the air unstable. The cloud grows taller. Soon it reaches an altitude where temperatures drop below freezing. Big raindrops and often hail form. So you look at our little chart here. The heights are there: 40,000 feet, 30,000 feet, 20,000, 10,000, okay? So this thing can start off underneath 10,000 feet, but go all the way up to over 40,000 feet. Mature phase. The drops become so heavy that they fall from the cloud. It's raining now, but warm air from below is still pushing up. Things get chaotic when air moving up and down. The cloud grows higher and higher and spreads out at the top. Thunder and lightning fill the sky, and torrents of rain and/or hail fall to the ground. And then this is the dissipating phase. All that heavy precipitation stops the rise of warm air, which was fueling the storm. With no more fuel or energy, the thunderstorm cloud dissipates. Dissipate means to scatter. The only thing left behind will be giant puddles. All right. And then a word about wind. Wild weather and wind go hand in hand. But what makes wind? You know that warm air rises. As it lifts, cooler air rushes in to fill the spaces left behind. Remember, nature likes things to be balanced. If you have ever visited an ocean beach, you might have noticed a breeze. On warm days, the air over land heats up more than the air over the sea. As the land air rises upward, air kept cool by the water blows in to fill the space. Now imagine the same thing happening on a much larger scale on Earth. Since the sun does not heat the planet evenly, warmer air near the equator rises, and cooler air from the polar regions flows in to replace it. Add in the spinning of the Earth, and you have the wide world of wind. All right, so you're going to use that information to answer these questions right there, the Thunderstorm Workshop. All right, now I also have here another page. Let me get there. Now I went to Weather Whiz Kids and I clicked on the Thunderstorms tab. Okay, so this is super cool. All right, you have a lot of answers here. Now they're all lightning questions, hail questions, damaging wind, thunderstorms, thunderstorm facts, thunderstorm safety, and thunderstorm activities. All right, all those are on the left. So you can go through this page and look, there's a picture of a tornado. That's awesome. All right, different stages of thunderstorms. All right, all your information is going to be on this page. Okay, and it's either going to be there or it's going to be, sorry. It's either going to be there or it's going to be here, right up top. All right. So do your best to answer as many of those questions as you can. You'll be seeing me again to talk about the next science activity. All right. I will see you then.